M6 drone operation tutorial. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light is always on when charging. Turn off automatically when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connecting the remote control. Connect to power supply. Green light is on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Insert the memory card into the remote control. Press and hold the power on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with the inner 8-stroke stick. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One button to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left flag. Right flag. Speed switching, 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for the middle speed gear. 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will start obstacle avoidance mode. Long press to turn on headless mode. The drone will move backward in the direction of the remote control. Long press again to turn off headless mode. 1 button to land. Remote control transmitter button function. Long press to turn on, off the picture transmission. Short press to take photo. Long press to record video. Long press again to close the video. Remove memory card. Insert the memory card into the card reader and connect it to the computer. You can view photos and videos. Replace the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws to remove the air blades. Pay attention to the app logo. Install the corresponding fan blade. Connect app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the app. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Install the cell phone holder. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.